All right. Welcome back to another episode of the EV Charger Incentive and Rebate Quick Take. As always, Tony Booth here, bringing you some knowledge and some understanding of what incentives and rebates are out there for your commercial EV charging solutions. This episode, I should say, I'm used to doing podcasts, so I'm always kind of like today in this episode. These are designed to be little shorts, and they're going to be out there just sitting around where people can find them, and you search and find them and all. So today, it's not today. It's just this episode. We are dealing with the state of Maryland. State of Maryland has some good programs. They have kind of two things going for them here. On the state level, they have a $5,000 per charger program where you can, you sign up and get the program. One thing to know about that program, because we've been dealing with it for the last few years, it opens up on July 1, typically, with their fiscal year. They have a set budget for the year, and when it runs out, it runs out. What we've seen in the past is that runs out normally by late summer, early fall. So August, September, right? Like rarely does it make it into October with any money left. So you might be just hearing this. And if you're late into the summer, jump on it quick if you want to try to take advantage of their program. With the program, it's pretty simple. You apply, you put your stuff in, they'll review it, let you know what you're eligible for, which typically is going to be the $5,000 per charger. It is also capped at 50% of your project cost. So you're not going to get over 50% with what you plug in, which is okay, right? It's still fine. They're going to cover whatever, they cover a bunch of stuff. So they give you 50% if you can grab the 30C, and you can grab maybe even a utility program. You might get up there and cover, if you grab the 30C, you're already getting 80% of your project cost back. So again, it's not a very bad program. It's something that opens up and goes quick. It does require that you use approved chargers. So make sure you understand that. Make sure whoever you're working with understands that you need an approved charger on that. And then on the power company side in Maryland, the power companies previously had some programs for multifamily and retail and public and all, but right now those are kind of on hold or out of funding, but they do have programs for fleet. So if you're doing a fleet system, they actually have a really pretty good program from a fleet side. They will cover $5,000 per charger for the charger side of things, and they will cover $15,000 per charger for the make ready, up to 90%. On the charger side, it's up to 50%. So kind of hard to do the math for you right there on my head of how much that gets you, but you can figure that the make ready is normally over 50%. So you're getting 50% covered in that make ready, 50% of your charger stuff, those kind of things. Not bad, right? Like all that put together is pretty good. Couple it with the state program in the state of Maryland. If you're doing a fleet, you can put fleet charging in for very minimal cost. So any of you guys out there looking to, convert fleets, now's the time to look at that. On the equipment side, they do, again, the power companies do require some minimal stuff on the equipment. It's not, super onerous, but they often have a list of what you want to work with. So make sure you got that covered. DC fast charging, state of Maryland. Not a whole lot going here. They kind of scale it back. The state program that I mentioned, that does still apply, but it's still capped at that 5,000. So you can put any charger in you want. You're going to get 5,000 per charger. The power companies, BGE, Delmarva, Pepco, will do the 15,000. They won't cover anything towards the charger, but they will do that 15,000 towards make ready per charger for fleet installations only. So again, Power company side, they're really only supporting you if you're in a fleet instance. Statewide, it's just about anything you can get in there and get that grant. But remember, it runs out fast. That is it for Maryland. We'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.